Hey there, and welcome back to Daily Speak. I'm Alex, and today we're going to practice travel English. These are real sentences you can use on your next trip. At the airport, the hotel, the restaurant, and more. Here's how it works. I'll say a sentence. You repeat it after me. Out loud. Don't worry about being perfect. Just speak. Find a quiet place, and let's begin. Listen, and repeat after me. At the airport. Let's start at the airport. Repeat after me. Where is the check-in counter? Where is the check-in counter? Here is my passport. Here is my passport. I have one suitcase. I have one suitcase. Can I have a window seat? Can I have a window seat? Where is the boarding gate? Where is the boarding gate? Is the flight on time? Is the flight on time? Where is gate 12? Where is gate 12? Great job. Let's keep going. On the plane. Now on the plane. Repeat after me. Excuse me, this is my seat. Excuse me, this is my seat. Can I get some water? Can I get some water? Could I have a blanket? Could I have a blanket? What time do we land? What time do we land? May I go to the restroom? May I go to the restroom? Wonderful. Arriving and immigration. Now, arriving at your destination. Repeat after me. I'm here on vacation. I'm here on vacation. I'll stay for 1 week. I'll stay for 1 week. I'm staying at a hotel. I'm staying at a hotel. Where is baggage claim? Where is baggage claim? I can't find my luggage. I can't find my luggage. Where can I get a taxi? Where can I get a taxi? Excellent. Taxi and getting around. Now, taking a taxi. Repeat after me. Can you take me to this hotel? Can you take me to this hotel? How much is the fare? How much is the fare? How long will it take? How long will it take? Please stop here. Please stop here. Keep the change. Keep the change. Thank you for the ride. Thank you for the ride. Great work. At the hotel. Now, at the hotel. Repeat after me. I have a reservation. I have a reservation. I'd like to check in. I'd like to check in. What time is breakfast? What time is breakfast? Is there free Wi-Fi? Is there free Wi-Fi? Can I get a wake-up call? Can I get a wake-up call? The air conditioner isn't working. The air conditioner isn't working. What time is checkout? What time is checkout? Beautiful. Asking for directions. Now, asking for directions. Repeat after me. Excuse me, where is the museum? Excuse me, where is the museum? Is it far from here? Is it far from here? Can I walk there? Can I walk there? Which way is downtown? Which way is downtown? I'm a little lost. I'm a little lost. Thank you for your help. Thank you for your help. Fantastic. At a restaurant. Now, at a restaurant. Repeat after me. Table for two, please. Table for two, please. Can I see the menu? Can I see the menu? What do you recommend? What do you recommend? I'll have this one. I'll have this one. This is delicious. This is delicious. Can I get the check? Can I get the check? Amazing. Sightseeing/shopping. Now, sightseeing and shopping. Repeat after me. Can you take a photo of me? Can you take a photo of me? This place is beautiful. This place is beautiful. How much is this souvenir? How much is this souvenir? Do you take credit cards? Do you take credit cards? Where is the exit? Where is the exit? What time does it close? What time does it close? Wonderful work. Outro. Wow! You did such a great job today. You just practiced travel English, from the airport to the hotel, and everything in between. I'm really proud of you. Now, the next time you travel, you'll feel confident speaking English. Remember, you don't have to be perfect. Just try. People are usually happy to help. Here's your homework. In the comments below, write where you want to travel next, in English. I read every single comment. If this helped you, please give it a like and subscribe to Daily Speak for more speaking practice. I'm Alex. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and I'll see you in the next one. Safe travels, and bye for now.